Okay, I'm Phil from PT Precision Automotive. Again, we've got a Mitsubishi Triton ute in here. It's an 09 model. It's got the 4M41 engine in it, turbo diesel. It's an 09. It's got 65,000 Ks. Customers experiencing problems every now and then. It's intermittent. Between 1800 RPM and 3000 RPM, the car loses power and it's very sluggish. But before then and after that RPM, it seems to be okay. He's also experiencing more fuel usage, he believes. He reckons he's not getting his fuel economy. So we've done before to this car, we've done a EGR valve and a decarbon. We believe it's to do with the fuel injection pump suction control valve, which is right down the bottom down there. If you can see my finger, can you get that in at all? Come around the other way, maybe. Yeah. So we're going to pull that valve out, clean it, apparently turn it around 180 degrees, and then retry it. And if that successfully fixes it, we're going to replace that valve. If it's got a problem now, it's only going to have a problem later on. So we're going to do that. It's going to take me some time to do that, but we believe that is possibly the cause. Okay, I've got the suction control valve out of the diesel injection pump. So we've just cleaned it with a dry chemical, dry solvent. I'm going to reinstall it and make sure there's no dirt or anything around this before I took it off, so it's a nice clean surface and working with, because you don't want any dirt going into these. They're under extreme high pressure and small little tolerances. So I will be putting this back in. Apparently just turning it 180 fixes the problem. I've got a bloke down south, Tony, who's had an exact same problem with his, and he's done this and he reckons it's worked successfully. So that's what we're going to do. I'm also going to replace the fuel filter as well. Although it's been regularly changed, I will change it again. And then if this does fix it, I will buy a new suction control valve, just to be sure. If it's only done 60,000, there's already a problem with it. I reckon we're going to see more of these to come. So anyway, I'd replace the fuel filter as well if you're going to do one. Anyway, but that's it. They're also, don't just go ordering one. They are specific to each injection pump, so you have to get the code off the back of the idle, the suction control valve, and also the code off the back of the fuel injection pump to match each other. So just be aware of that as well. They're not all the same. Okay.